I'm Brian Butcher from the Cambridge Chamber of Commerce, and this morning on this cold but beautiful pre-winter morning, I'm standing outside of VeriForm, one of our long-term members. VeriForm is a custom metal fabricating shop, and I'm going inside today to visit with Paul Rack, president of VeriForm. He's going to give me a look around, and I can hear the sounds of heavy manufacturing going on in the background. My testosterone is spiking, so it's time to go inside.
Hey Brian, how are you?
How are you?
Welcome to VeriForm.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm here for a tour this morning.
You got lots to see. We'll show you lots of stuff.
That's great. I'm looking forward to it. This is, I assume, the control center for all the stuff that happens.
Oh yeah, you've got sales and purchasing and engineering. They're all here.
That's great. That's great. So you're gonna take me out back and show me where the real work is done?
All right. So you get your safety glasses here, and we'll get you the badge as well.
Those always look good on me. Paul, can you tell me a little bit about what's going on around here?
Absolutely. What you can see here is our 5 bending stations. That's really the heart of our company. All our customers' parts, we cut them, but then they come down here and they bend them. So whether it's 1/2-inch plate or 3/4-inch plate or even 2-inch thick plate on our 20-foot machine, we're bending all these parts up.
Simple parts, complex parts, big parts, little parts.
Yes, we can bend parts that are huge benders on Hitachi mining trucks to small parts that are going into MRI machines. It's no bigger than your fingernail.
It's good. So there's lots of activity going on. The shop is busy, I presume?
Yes, we've got all 4 machines running. They're running some small parts on that one over there. They're running some parts going to Alabama on that machine. This one here is going for parts that are going to Illinois, and that one there, he's setting up machines for a visit from Switzerland, from a customer from Switzerland on next week.
So you ship not only in Canada, but the United States and around the world. So in addition to bending, what other kind of operations do you perform?
We have a 20-foot long machining center, which is quite unique, because if we're going to be cutting parts that are at least 20 feet long, it's good to bend them, it's good to be able to machine them. So it's sort of a complete, hey, anything that's 20 feet long, we can handle it, whether it's cutting, bending, or machining. That's
fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, we're going to take a little walk around, look at some of the operations a little more closely, if that's okay?
Yes.
Good, thanks. Good. I don't know, Paul, that looks pretty easy to me.
I don't know, this fellow's gone to Conestoga College for 3 years, and he's got lots of years of experience. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, I've done quite a few things around the house. I'm pretty handy. I think I can handle it.
I'm worried. Okay, so we've had a bit of safety review, and here Brian is ready to take on a new job, a new role in his life, a welder at VeriForm. Let's see how it goes.
Danger, Will Robinson. Danger.
All right, a little suspicious. Let's see how if the. All right, I think we have some dishes that Brian can wash in the cafeteria.
Well, Paul, thank you for the tour. I think our chamber members are going to really enjoy this one.
Brian, thanks for coming by. It was a pleasure having you walk through the shop. And first, I want to also thank you. We've been in Cambridge for 17 years, and we joined the chamber 5 years ago. I can tell you that having joined the chamber has elevated VeriForm to a whole new level. Meeting Greg has allowed us to also meet people at the City Hall. We've met other businesses. Being part of the chamber has been fantastic for us. It's really given us a new energy that we wouldn't have today otherwise.
Well, that's great to hear. Thank you. We really appreciate that.
Yeah. Now, welding, I think I can't hire you for that job, so I think...
So it's back from the welding table back to my desk?
I think we have to, yeah. Yeah, no, there'd be no parts going into bridges that you welded, unfortunately.
Okay, well, thank you. Thanks again for the tour. Appreciate it.
Oh, thanks, Brian.
Take care.
Thank you. Ciao.